friends, I'm taking the test ride of the HondaHness here 350. I'm at Hero Big Wing at Castle Street, Bangalore, and these are the roads. I'm just trying to take a test ride here, and the brilliant rider at the showroom is trying to cover my ride here. So first impression is this vehicle is very smooth compared to the Royal Enfield 350. It's a fantastic vehicle. It's very smooth, typical of Honda. So what you get here is very good quality. I'm pretty impressed with how the engine is performing. The power delivery is linear, very smooth. You can really feel it. Absolutely no vibrations. If you have ridden the 350 Royal Enfield, and if you ride this back to back, I think you'll definitely feel the difference. There is 200% of difference between this and the Royal Enfield 350. So if you're in the market for vehicles like this, the 350cc category, kind of a cruiser one, I think you should definitely be looking at this vehicle here. So sorry, I think there's a big jam here. Okay. I think excuse the roads. I think the roads are being laid here, so there is a jam here. But it's a good opportunity to actually test the vehicle's suspension. Look at these roads here. I think if you look at the roads here, I think this is what the city roads are, and this is performing very good here. There goes another Royal Enfield there. So I'm pretty happy with how this vehicle is performing here. Wonderful vehicle. That's what this is. कैसे आ गया? वापस जाना है? हाँ, वापस जाना। वीडियो बनाते हम वापस आ गए। सामने लेफ्ट लेके लेफ्ट लेना। Fantastic vehicle. I think I wholeheartedly support this HondaHness here. If you're in the market for this sort of vehicles, daily ride, and also for your highway rides or breakfast rides or something like that, I think you should be looking at this vehicle here. This is a fantastic vehicle. I wholeheartedly like the HondaHness is the vehicle for you guys. That's what this is. This is TechBheemVlogs trying to take a test ride of this HondaHness here. Thank you for watching.